Good afternoon, Warriors, and happy Veterans Day. Today is Monday, November 11th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got our Chapter 3 review due tomorrow, right before our Chapter 3 test. If you have any questions, please let Mrs. Cap or myself know in Warrior time tomorrow or before school. In Honors Math, today is our Chapter 3 test. Extra credit number 4 across the board is due on Friday, as well as Moby Max 30 minutes required this week is due Friday also. In science, there is no homework. However, we do have an Adams test on Thursday that you can study for. In social studies, you need to finish your prehistory key terms. Most people have the opportunity to get this done in class. Just make sure that those are submitted on Classroom. You can also study for your prehistory test, which is on Wednesday. In language arts, we've got the writing process practice packet, page number 3. Most people have the opportunity to get that done in class today, so hopefully that is taken care of. In literature, we need to continue to read tonight. Vocabulary test that is due Wednesday, or that is on Wednesday. You can use Quizlet to go through and help you study. In CNL, you need to finish the 30-year-old goals paper. Last but not least, we're offering Mrs. Caprini and myself 3 points of math extra credit. If you can bring your math reference sheet with your proper 6th grade heading in the top right-hand corner to Mrs. Cap or myself by 7:49 a.m. tomorrow, you will receive 3 extra credit points. Please make sure that you do not share this information with anyone else. It's going to be it for tonight. Everyone have a fantastic Veterans Day, and we'll see you tomorrow.